Guys, and welcome to a new GTK tutorial. Today we are going to move on with our GTK toolbar and we are going to learn new functions. As you can see, until now we learned some of them, but before we proceed with learning new functions, we need to make some changes to our program. So the first change which I'm going to do, it will be the name of the tool item. This is the first one. You will see in a second why. Because I want to create more icon also. I'm going to change it to icon 1 for a second. And now let me see if everything works fine with these changes, or if I forgot something. No, everything looks fine. Okay, I'm going to comment this part, and you know what, no, I'm going to remove all these things right here. Let's see, insert, no, insert I'm going to let it, but these functions I'm going to remove them to not create too much misunderstandings. Now let us create two more items, item 1, 2 and 3, which means we need the icon 2 and 3 as well. Now because we had the computer, the next one will be the phone, and the next one should be the camera, whatever. Okay, now because we have the phone and camera, we can basically create those items. So tool item 2, it should be icon 2, which is of course the phone, and the next one, 3, should be the camera. Now because we created, we can also insert them. So tool item should be at position 1, and tool item 3 should be at position 2. Now let me compile it and run it and see if everything works fine. Unused var icon 3, yes, because I forgot to change it here to 3. Okay, at this point we should have 3 items different. Let's see, yes, we have a computer, we have a phone, and we have a camera. I should not change. Let me go back a little bit to the GTK Toolbar set style. GTK Toolbar. And of course the GTK Toolbar style. GTK Toolbar style. GTK. I need to go back because I need them both to be printed. Now let's see if it's working. Yes, computer, phone and camera, everything works fine. Now we can move with our GTK Toolbar functions. So the next function basically, which I am going to introduce you right now, it is called right here GTK Toolbar Get item index. It is a function which returns the position of an item on the toolbar. So starting from 0, which is the first one, and it is an error if the item is not a child. So let's see. What do we need? We need to, it's returning a int, so we need to declare it. Sorry, int, I'm going to say position, and now position, nope, position, we are going to point it to this function, and the first one, it is the GTK toolbar. I'm going to copy it right here, and the second one, it should be the GTK tool item. So in this case I need the phone, so because I need the phone is a tool item, which means it is at the position 1. So now the position should return us gprint. Okay, the position of the item is %d, which means position, and it should return 1 at this point. If everything is fine, and if we did everything right, it should return 1 because it is at a position 1. Yes, the position of the item is 1, which means works fine. Now the next function which I'm going to introduce you, it is the function GTK Toolbar Get n items right here, which means we can find out how many items do we have. So let's say, what do we have? Gint again, n items, and now let us call it n items. What do we need? We need a toolbar and nothing more. So let me copy it right here. And now, because we have those n items, let us make some changes. The position of the item is the position, and the next one will be there are %d items found. Okay, let me compile it and run it and see how many items do we find. We should find 3. Yes, the position of the item is 1. There are 3 items found, which is 1, 2 and 3, isn't it? It's working fine, and the way it is should work. Now, because we found the n items, we know the n items, we know the position of that one. How about the next one, which is GTK Toolbar Get an item? So basically you can get the item as well, not only its position. So let's see how it's working. We need to declare GTK tool item, you see right here. So I'm going to do it myself as well. Let's say tool item. What should I say now? Child, just to be different from all other. Now tool item child, it will be pointed to this function, and here we need of course the toolbar, and we need a position. We are going to take the position 2, which means it is the phone, the camera, sorry. Okay, so this means position 2, or you know what, no, I'm going to pass the position, which we get it right here, not a random number. So because we got now this one, we need to know which one it is. So I'm going to do to get the name of this one as well. So let's say const gchar const name, and this name we are going to point it to the GTK widget get name, and of course here we need to cast to GTK widget our item. So the tool, nope, too many, tool item child. And now let's see which is the tool item child. G print the tool item child is %s, new line character, and of course the name. So let's see what do we got now. Yes, that was wrong, isn't it? Again, a signal read only. Yes, the next thing we don't. Let me copy this one right here because it should be in one call. That's my bad. Now what do we have? Let's see. We have the position of the item is 1. There are 3 items. The tool item child is GTK tool button, and of course it is because we created a tool button, isn't it? Where is it? Right here, see? Because we created a tool button, we got a tool button. So basically this is the way how you work with these 3 functions. I'm going to stop now and we are going to proceed to the next video. That being said, thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please subscribe, share with your friends and neighbors, and until next time, see you guys.